Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankaj Singh. And I once again welcome you to my show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. So today in this episode, I'm going to talk about how does affiliate marketing work and how do you get started in 2024. So I'm going to talk about this. Right. But before telling this, I just want to say that, as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. And in that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. So if you want to get this book, you have to pay for that. But here I have deal for you. If you want to get this book for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address that is pankja.singh@gmail.com with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to read this book. Fair deal? So now, without any delay, let me show you how does affiliate marketing work and how do you get started in 2024. Here, first thing that you have to understand that what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where what you do, where you pick your affiliate link and you start promoting that affiliate link in your niche. And when someone buys through your affiliate link, you make commission. So this is performance-based affiliate marketing. When you promote the affiliate offer, and when someone buys through your affiliate link, you make commission. So this is affiliate marketing in simple line. And how does it work? Here what you do first, you join an affiliate program. You find a product or service you like in your niche. You promote it to others and earn a piece of profit for each sale you make. And you can join affiliate programs directly through companies, or you can use affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Clickback, right? So this is the first thing that you do. First, you join affiliate program in your niche. And then what you do, you promote products. Once you have joined a program, you will get a unique affiliate link. And then you can share this link through social media posts, blog articles, YouTube videos, or any other form of content where your audience can see it. So like when you join any program in your niche, you grab your affiliate link and you can promote that affiliate link on your social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn. So it's up to you. Whatever platform that you want to pick, it's up to you. Or you can write blog post, and through your blog post you can promote your affiliate links. Or like if you are watching this video, then in the description section I have my affiliate link. Through that description section I am promoting my affiliate link. So if you want to buy any product, then you can buy product using my affiliate link. So this is another way to promote affiliate link using YouTube and any other form of content where your audience can see it. So yes, you can promote your affiliate link in like in any forum, or in any, you can say some article directories. So yes, you can go and write articles there and you can promote your affiliate links there, but you have to promote with their permission. This is very, very important. Don't spam. Next thing, you earn commissions. Like when you promote your affiliate links and when someone buys through your affiliate link, you make commission. So this is what it is saying. When people click on your affiliate link and make purchase, you earn a commission. The amount you earn can vary widely. Yes, the amount that you earn, the commission that you make, it can be vary. Sometimes you get commission right from 4% to 100%. Yeah, there are programs, they pay you commission up to 30%, 50%, 75%, and in some cases they pay you up to 100% commission, right? So it varies. Get paid. Affiliate programs have different payment terms, but most pay out earnings on a monthly basis, either through PayPal, direct deposit, or check. So, like there are programs, they pay you on monthly basis after 30 days or after 45 days, and there are some other programs they pay you after 2 months. So it depends on their terms and conditions. And how you get payment? You get payment through PayPal, through Payoneer, through direct bank deposit, through check, through bank transfer, through wire transfer. So there are so many methods that you can pick to get money transferred in your bank account. So it's up to you. So this is how this affiliate marketing works. Now, to get started in 2024, what are the steps that you have to take? First thing, always choose your niche. You have to pick your niche where you have passion, where you have interest. And yes, when you are going to pick any niche where you have passion and where you have interest, side by side, you have also take care that you have to pick a niche where there is demand too. Now you tell me, if there is no demand, if there is no money, then what's the benefit of picking that niche if you are not able to make money, right? So that's why it's very, very important. Always pick a niche where you have passion, no doubt, where you have interest, no doubt, but there must be demand, there must be money too. Got it? Second thing, yes, research affiliate programs. So you have to look for affiliate programs that offer products or services in your niche. And then you have to consider factors like commission rates, payment terms, and cookie duration. So these are the things that you have to take care when you are going to pick any affiliate programs to promote in your niche. You have to check their commission rates, their payment terms, and their cookie duration. Then next thing that you have to do, you have to build your platform. Like if you love to write, then yes, you can start with blogging, or you can start your own website. If you love to be on camera, then you can start your own YouTube channel. Or yes, you can also have your presence on social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, and there you can start promoting your affiliate offer or your affiliate links through stories, through reels. So it's up to you, right? And here, this is very, very important. Focus on providing value to your audience and building trust. This is very, very important. Always focus on providing value first. Build that trust. And how you build that trust? When you provide value, when you lead with the value, when you solve the problem of your ideal customer or your ideal prospect through your valuable content. And I always say, nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you. And how you do that? Through your valuable content, through your personal story, through your struggles, through your challenges, through your wins. When you share all these through your content, and through this way, you build that trust. You let people know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you. Got it? Next, create high quality content. Yes, develop content that promotes your chosen products in a way that's useful and engaging to your audience. This could include product reviews. Yes, you can give product reviews. You can give tutorials or other types of content that showcase the benefits of the product. So you can talk about the benefits of the products, that how this product gonna help them, what are the benefits that they are going to get, so that you can talk through your content. It can be in written format or through video format. So it's up to you. Next, promote your affiliate links. So here you have to share your content and affiliate links through your chosen platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is, and engage with your audience to drive traffic and increase conversions. So here you can promote your affiliate links like you are promoting your valuable content on your chosen platform. So there at the end of the content, you can say, you can have call to action like, hey, if you want to know more, or if you want to buy this product, go and check out the link in my bio. Or simply you can say that you can go to www.affiliateuncle.com/ your product name, whatever it is. So that's how you promote. Monitor and optimize. This is very, very important. Keep track of your affiliate marketing efforts and adjust your strategies based on what's working and what's not. This could involve tweaking your content, trying out different affiliate programs or focusing on different promotional channels. So here overall idea is that carefully observe, carefully track that what is working and what is not, and what is working, keep that, and the thing that is not working, you can remove it out, right? So that's why it's very, very important to track everything. And here, like if something is not working, you can try different programs, right? Don't be stick with one program only. If you see that to you it's been more than 6 to 12 months time and you are not getting any results, then in that case you can try out any other program, right? So that you can do. So yes, finally, success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. So be patient and persistent in your effort. So this is very, very important. It takes time. It's not a get rich quick scheme where you will be rich overnight or where you will start getting money or start making money within 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month. It takes time. So have patience, right? So these are the things that you have to do if you want to get started in 2024. What are the things? First, choose your niche, research affiliate programs, build your platform, create high quality content, promote your affiliate links, and monitor and optimize. Yeah, that's it, right? So that's it for today. Now you know how does affiliate marketing work and how do you get started in 2024. So if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you. I will try my level best to help you. And yes, if you want to get my book, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, then all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address, that is pankja.singh@gmail.com. Right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.